What's up everyone? We're back in the van today for another video. We're gonna be working on the roof. I've got some paneling up. So far, now I'm gonna put in the insulation, and I'm probably gonna use 6-foot cedar planks for the roof. And I got 5 lights, one right there, 4 in the middle, going up. So let's do it. Wanted to show you the roof. Got all the framing and the wires I need out. Insulation's all in. I just used what I had left, so that's why you see this different kind right there, but it's all in. And I got the roof panels. I'll show you. I'm going to be using these fence boards. I'm going to sand them down 3 different layers, and I'm going to be staining and painting them. I got 5 different colors. Kind of just throw some variety in there, so let's get to it. So what I'm doing is picking out one side I like better, whichever has a better grain. I would say this side. I'm going to start with 80 and finish with 400. So this is basically how I'm gonna lay out the roof panels. Color scheme. Just like that. I'm gonna be putting the lights in on this beam and then over here as well. So these are the 12 volt DC lights I'm gonna be using. Basically just trace the outline there. Show you the lights. There's the LED. I got this one in. I just gotta hook it up here, and same as right there. But the next one, I'm definitely gonna cut them out on the board first, over here, because I made a big old mess. But what's up, everyone? I wanted to show you some of the panels I got on the roof. I already got this light hooked up and these two, but I wanted to show you all the process of getting these two lights hooked up. So I'm gonna put this GoPro on my head and let's do it. So I got all the lights hooked up. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna finish the planks over here and we'll be done with the roof. What's up, everyone? So I got all the roof panels on all the way around, but I'm putting this fan shroud on finally, and as you can see, it's a little too long. So I measured and put some, I'm gonna draw some lines from those marks, cut it, and I'll get it fitted on and screwed in. So let's do it. All right, so I got the shroud fitted. I'm gonna put it in with the screws it came with, these white little ones. Make sure it's even. So the fan's in. Looks pretty good like that. What's up everyone? So I wanted to show you the finished roof. It's a pretty good time right now. It's a little cloudy. So let's take a look. There's the fan, the shroud on, 4 lights. I think it turned out pretty good. So that's probably all I'll do for this video. I'm gonna be working on the electric bed that folds up and down next. It's gonna go right here. This is the hookup, and switches up top, make it go up and down. I already got a mattress picked out for it, and I just got to extend the frame of the bed, and yeah, I think it'll work out good. So please follow and subscribe and like my videos. It'll help me out a lot. Alright guys, peace out.